Hello, my name is Roland Poor. I'm with the United Healthcare Support Center, which is also considered the International Help Desk. I'm going to be speaking about the process redesign for the work at home employees. By the way of introduction, this problem that I'm going to be talking about is an ongoing problem that's currently occurring at the help desk, wherein we had initially proposed a redesign on the current process that we've had in place since 2007. And this has been with the company since 2007. And it's a process that's really hindering our progress at the help desk. So, just to give you a little bit of the background here, when people actually started in 2007, they will get the work at home kit, and then they will actually just be given a letter that has the instruction on how to set it up. And then in the instructions, they're actually told to call the help desk if they have any problem. So that would bring us to the current work at home process. Basically, you get the work at home kit during your new hire orientation. That kit includes a laptop, a docking station, the modem, the router, and then, like I said, the instructions. The problem with the current process is that this current process has led to a huge increase to the call volume at the help desk, basically causing the tech to be stuck on calls for anywhere from 45 minutes to sometimes even 2 hours, just to help people to get their problem rectified. And prior to this presentation, we've already conducted an analysis and study of the current process. And then we created like a spreadsheet of call logs. We also had creation of audio playlists of call lasting over an hour. And then we also took data from the web portal tickets. And then we also created like a frequent reported issue, a sheet that people that work at the help desk complain about. And then the study finding basically just shows that the call volume is really caused by people that work at home that are really having problem with instructions that they were given initially. So this is a graphical illustration that shows you all the calls that are lasting over an hour at the help desk, and normally the handle time at the help desk is 14 minutes. And so because of this, people are not being able to meet their metrics, and they're not be able to meet uh, their matrix, and it's kind of hindering the progress. Like if you don't meet your matrix, you wouldn't be qualified to get raises and stuff like that. And then that's just the explanation of the graph. And then this is the flow chart of the future process. So with the future process is that you're actually going to get hired. You'll be given a work at home kit. But before you do that, we'll have you go for orientation. And then we'll also include 16 hours hands-on training. That's going to be a part of the onboarding process. And then once you're done with that, you're going to get a certificate of completion. The next step that I'm suggesting in this process here is to set up a pilot program for at least 16 hours that we're just going to select random people that are going to get hired. And with that, we are going to conduct this case study and see how that goes. And then once the results turn out to be pretty good, then we'll kind of incorporate that into the training process. The conclusion here is that if we adopt this new approach, is bound to reduce the call volume at the help desk, basically enabling the tech to be able to meet their matrix, and then to be able to also help other people that are calling with different problems instead of people that are calling with work at home related issues. Any questions? If there are any, I'd like to end this presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.